We just got back from an incredible overnight in LaPine. Before we get into that episode, I'd like to thank a few new subscribers. Would be Mr. Suave SRT, Chris Savage, Carolina Ryder, and STI Moto. Thanks. Enjoy the episode. Good morning. We're getting ready to hit the road. Gonna get finish getting the bike picked up here and head on over and meet up with John and Eric. We're heading back to Central Oregon. Big shocker. Anyway, should be a good day. So glad that Eric got his bike. You know, I'm really looking forward to seeing it and riding with him today. So I think we got some good stuff going. I do want to show you something. Let me flip this around. Guitar's on the bike.
I mean, it's hot.
You ready for today, John?
I'm extremely ready for today.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, been a while since we've been up at Pucker Pass. I think we'll have to make sure that we get fuel in Detroit.
Yes, probably.
To get the sisters from there is kind of a haul. But
yeah, I think so.
we got John's bike over there. And we got Eric's bike.
Woohoo!
Yes.
It's a good ride, Eric.
Yeah.
Good choice.
It is a great ride.
What is it?
It's a 2016 Electric Glide Ultra.
Thing's beautiful.
Anybody who's looking for a transfer tank?
So we made it about 80 miles. We went through Malala, Sublimity, and Silverton. We love Silverton. That place is beautiful.
Yeah, place is nice.
Yeah, there's a lot of really old houses. It's weird. But I mean, the weather's been beautiful. We got stuck behind this tractor for, I don't know, it was only a few miles, but it was probably 20 minutes.
Yeah, it was a while.
Yeah.
Everybody's getting antsy for sure.
Yeah. And I angrily passed him.
Yeah.
I was just getting frustrated, man.
Well, he should have pulled over when he had room, which he had room at one point to let the crowd go by.
Yeah, that was frustrating.
Yeah, 100%. Like if he's going so far, he should do the right thing and pull off. Well, man, that was easy 80 miles. I was gonna shoot for the rest area that we normally stop at, but I was like, man, I really needed caffeine on his new bike. This one's got cruise control.
Yes, it does.
That's a game changer.
It is. It's amazing. This is the first bike I've ridden that I've been able to freehand as well.
Oh, no shit.
Yeah,
It's balanced nicely.
Yeah, my deluxe wasn't very balanced. It had a throttle lock on it, but that deluxe was pretty shaky. So
Yeah, my last road glide was that way. Every time I take my hands off the handlebars, it would just want to instantly dive to the left.
yeah,
So you imagine riding 300 miles just constantly
Great.
fighting that.
yeah,
But this road glide is just, mine is, man, I no-hand it slowing down.
yeah.
It's killer, man. This has just been a great day so far.
Yeah, absolutely.
We're gonna stop in Detroit, probably our next stop. Fill up. You make it to Detroit, John?
Oh, yeah.
Maybe have another few minute rest, and then I think the stop after that's probably either the top of Pucker Pass, but more likely the bottom.
Okay.
We'll stop at the bottom because it's kind of good going up fresh.
Yeah.
And I like it's nice and shaded at the bottom. It's pretty cool. Stopped in Detroit. Little Detroit Marina gas station. Shitloads of bikes. It's fucking awesome. Let me turn you around. Got Johnny, Eric, me, gang.
Loving it.
Yeah, how's your ride going?
It's going really good. Really good. I'm comfortable. Yeah.
Minus the travel guitar faking you out.
Yeah, that's a little. Yeah, it's bugging me out. It's like, is there a rose hazard?
But centered it up again.
Yeah, it'll help a little bit, but it looks like somebody's arm that's, because I can't see yours even when you wave on that side. So.
Yeah, it's kind of the same color as Kate's jacket.
Yeah.
So looks like you're every time you catch it, it's like.
All pointing all the time.
Do you have any
No close calls, you?
John hasn't hit a bird yet, so it's not.
The bird
foolproof
assassin
yet.
is slacking.
You get a bird?
I've hit more than one bird on trips, yeah. Yeah, absolutely.
She's I up to 3.
With you? Or
52.
oh wow,
Yeah.
just feathers everywhere.
I'd love to see the video.
Yeah.
It would be great, but
That's kind of mean, John. Those are God's creatures.
they are. They are, but they looks like to me they're committing suicide.
Keith and I had a pretty big bird. I mean, it didn't hit us, but it came really close to us. And I was filming, but it was not focused in the right place. I just
I've had several of them that if I had 2 arms lengths, I could have grabbed them out of the sky. It was a vulture.
Whoa.
Yeah, that was a big bird.
Yeah, wow.
So Eric, we're at the bottom of what we call Pucker Pass. It's been a long time since you've been up it.
Yeah, that's. Shoot. I've only been up it twice, I think. This will be my 3rd time, I believe.
So excited.
Yeah, I'm super excited.
They finally get around that tractor, pull over and get gas, and then they're back behind it.
so disappointing.
shit, and the drones did fine.
Yeah, I was impressed. It's very windy up here.
So it's been an amazing day. We're gonna pack back up, do a food stop in Sisters, and then head on to LaPine.
Until next time.
Got some sandwiches at Sisters Meat and Smokehouse. Best place in Sisters. The women are beautiful. My brother.
Probably been fine. There's a lot of people who do
I
that.
bet you could do something like
But
that alone. Jonathan.
I would.
I think it was a great day of riding. Finally made it to camp.
Yeah, beautiful.
It's super good having Eric having his own bike.
He's back with us.
Yeah, it's been great.
Cheers to that.
Great day.
It's like old friends, new roads.
Old friends and new roads.
Cheers.
Have this mounted? What up?
Evening. How is everybody?
So good.
So, get your license plates here. Get you all checked in. Who's key? Excellent. So, which one is yours?
The one you're right next to.
This
Yep.
one? Okay.
You play that intro song?
Yeah.
All right. So, you folks brought the bikes to Oregon State Park before. You know how we count motorcycles for extra vehicles and everything? Okay, so you get the first.
Whoa! This sand is tricky. I'm tippy. Took a little spot over here.
Pull me down, Lydia.
Well, I'm just trying to check my specs and see how far I can go before I go all the way.
Down here at the river. Say what up, John.
What up?
We got Eric and Kate. River. This is the Deschutes River. Let me turn it around. The mighty Deschutes.
With looking at this water, I'm surprised those two kids didn't come out with fish. This looks good. To actually be able to catch, a trout or two.
Yeah, I mean, there's something to be said for a shitty fisherman.
That's true.
That is beautiful.
That is extremely nice.
Would be good for a people to ride.
I would try to make friends with somebody here.
He'd still have his pad. He'd be fine.
Hey, Eric. How you doing?
Yeah.
Am I
Dick's Sporting Goods. You can get 2 of these for $13.
Well, is it?
It's like an UV glove, silicone hot fire
Like read your hand in fire stuff?
kind of thing. Yeah.
Have you used it yet?
We're gonna test it out this
You
evening.
still got those holy ass gloves
So
though?
it might
I do.
just melt to your skin. Is what you're saying.
These things suck.
Yeah, that was better than nothing though. That was the California trip.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fucking gloves had holes all over them.
Well, that's only because I stuck it in the fire to get the food out.
You flipping your shit.
Is that what your side?